What is the full form of WWF in the context of environmental conservation? World Wide Fund for Nature, WWF. What is the full form of SLV in the context of space technology? Satellite Launch Vehicle, SLV. What is the full form of SIM in the context of mobile phones? Subscriber Identity Module, SIM. What is the full form of NFDC in the context of Indian cinema? National Film Development Corporation, NFDC. What does CAG stand for in India? Controller and Auditor General, CAG. What does NGT stand for in India? National Green Tribunal, NGT.